I spent a ton of time marveling at these crazy cool websites on the internet, and honestly, it feels therapeutic. But I wondered what makes these sites so mesmerizing. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make these moves yourself. So grab your popcorn and let's jump into digital blurriness. Next, I'm gonna add two sections, one with blur class and the other one with image wrapper. One contains the text and the other one wraps our image. And that's how it looks. Ready for some magic. First, we'll master the blur effect, that neat trick where non-hover text fades out. Then we are onto the slide in animation where image smoothly glides into the view. Alright, let's kick off with blur effect. We'll start by styling the caption, time, and their layout. Next up, we'll add blur to our text list. When we hover over it, we're going to add a little twist. We'll unblur the text that's being hovered over. The blur effect is live, but it needs some extra finesse. So let's add a touch of transition. It's all about making things smooth. Gear up everyone. We're hitting the next level, the slide in image effect. It's time to get those images dancing. Next up, we are giving the image wrapper a makeover. We are locking its position to absolute and capping off the width and height. Next, figure gets the same makeover. Set to absolute and tucked into the image wrapper with an x-axis shifted to -100%. Last up folks, we are setting object fit to cover on the image itself. That way we can showcase the entire image in all its glory. Before we dive into the animation setup, here's the game plan. We start with figure at -100% on the x-axis as we've seen before. To slide it in, we'll move to 0%, bringing the card into the view. Now, when we want to slide it out, we'll shift the x-axis to 100%. That's our strategy, simple but effective. Let's animate. Alright, let's check this out. Here's the animate in code. It starts the image off screen and slides it right into the view. Simple and slick. Now let's flip it. Here's the animate out code. It takes our image and smoothly slides it out of the site, just like magic. But what's a show without director? Enter JavaScript, or behind the scenes Maestro. It's adding event listeners to each item. Mouse enters and it cues the animate in class. It's showtime. Mouse leaves, it's animate out class, and we are taking a bow. Alright, we've got something really slick here, but it seems there's a small hiccup. Once the animate in finishes its magic, our image is pulling a vanishing act while our mouse is still hovering. So how do we tackle this vanishing act? Well, like all great magicians, we turn to our trusty assistant. A quick Google search. And there we have it. Thanks to our friends at Stack Overflow. The answer is clear. We need to add animation fill mode forwards, mystery solved. Alright folks, if you enjoyed the ride, hit that like button and subscribe for more coding adventures. If you've spotted any Easter eggs in the code, drop a comment below. Until next time, keep your code clean and your bugs squashed.